Okay, I'll try and cook some eggs in this little plastic egg cooker. We'll put a bit of oil in first, just like that. Crack an egg in there. It'll be all done in the microwave. Then over. Make them in the microwave for I think 30-40 seconds. We'll go with 30 seconds, let's see what happens. Okay, that was 30 seconds and then another 10, and look at that. Beautiful. Ready to put in my toasted sandwich. Watch this space. So we'll put the eggs to one side and we'll get the sandwich toaster that goes in the microwave. This will be a full microwave only cooked meal. There we go. Chuck a bit of butter on there. Ham, butter, what else? Cheese. Got a nice slice of cheese, that's good. Okay. Bit of ham. Now we've got to get the eggs out. So now, that one's a fraction running, but should be okay. Look at that. Slide straight out. It's because of that magic spray I put on there probably. Okay. What else? Cheese. You on there. Pop the lid on. Haven't tried this before. We'll see if it's going to ooze out a lot. There we go. Okay. Left that in the microwave. What does that go for? I think a minute each side. We'll get back to you in a minute. So that was a minute one side, flip it over, and a minute the other side. Yep, she's hot. Sizzling hot. Let's see what we got. Pretty puffed up with the eggs in there. Look at that. Should do a cut it in half thing, eh? Nice. Bit of salt and pepper would have been good.